going to start with clean chicken. Adding 1 tablespoon of minced dash. Adding 1 tablespoon of onion powder. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. And 1 tablespoon of paprika. Stir it together and get ready to put it in your oil. In a medium skillet, cut your temp to medium and add in your olive oil. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like these videos. You're going to place your chicken into your skillet and cook until it is tender. Make sure to not overcook chicken tenderloin as it will become chewy. Once your chicken is done, you're going to remove it and place your chicken to the side. In the same skillet, you're going to add your onions in, your garlic in, mushrooms, and 1 tablespoon of butter. You're going to add in some fresh cracked black pepper and saute your vegetables until they're soft. Once your vegetables are soft, remove them from the pan and set them to the side. In the same skillet again, add in 3 tablespoons of butter. You're going to add in your chicken stock, your white wine, and your heavy whipping cream. For the full recipe, you can find it on my website at www.mealsandmiles.net. I will list the ingredients in the caption. If you want a thicker sauce, substitute the heavy whipping cream for sour cream. You're going to add in the remaining seasonings. Whisk it all together until it's completely blended. Then add in your veggies that you sauteed, as well as your chicken, and cover with the lid and cut your temp down to low and allow it to simmer. While your chicken is cooking, you're going to start your asparagus. In a medium pan, add your olive oil, your garlic, your asparagus, fresh cracked black pepper, minced dash seasoning, and a half a lemon. Mix together, cover with a lid, and cut your temp to medium. While your asparagus is cooking, start your noodles. 1 cup of water, add in a little olive oil so your noodles don't stick together. Then you're going to add in 2 cups of chicken stock. Bring to a boil and add in your noodles. You're only going to cook your noodles until they're somewhat soft, al dente as they call it. You don't want to overcook egg noodles because they become really mushy. You can choose the bread of your liking. We decided to go with the chocolate bread from Cheesecake Factory. They sell it in the stores. Just take it out, put it in the oven until it's warm. If you like this video and want to see more recipe videos, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe.